Welcome to another edition of Question and Answer with a Criminal Defense Attorney. I'm Mark Solomon, a defense attorney in Denver, Colorado, and today's question is about solicitation. But before we get started, don't forget to click like and subscribe. If you want to be notified of future videos, don't forget to hit the little bell next to that. Let's get to the question. What is solicitation? To answer that, let's look at the jury instruction. This is a template jury instruction, so some of these are not going to be in any jury instruction for trial, but I think what I've got listed is number 5 and 6 and 7. Some of these have brackets around them. I threw them in here just so that I could explain it. But number 3 is the most important one, which is you have to, with the intent to promote or facilitate the commission of some kind of an offense, which under circumstances that strongly corroborate the intent. So I like to think of it as you're asking for legal services. And when you're asking for legal services, like, for example, you're asking somebody to commit a murder, you're asking somebody to rob a bank with you. Solicitation is when you're asking somebody to commit a crime. And that's the most simple way to think of it. So going back to that jury instruction, you can see, let's see here. Commanded, induced, entreated, or otherwise attempted to persuade. That's number 5. Number 6, offered his services to another services or to a third party to commit a crime. And that's where you get the offer to commit a crime or asking somebody else to commit a crime. Interestingly enough, solicitation is the first step of conspiracy, which we're going to get to in another video. And if when that one's uploaded, I'll go ahead and put a card probably up there. So that is the question and answer for today. If you would like your own question answered, you can always put it in the comments below, email it to me, or tag me on Twitter. And as always, if you are being asked questions by a police officer about where you've been, what you have, what you know, or anything, you have a right to say, I don't want to talk to you, and if they persist, I want a lawyer.